Are you ready to take your video editing skills to the next level? With Videoleap, you can create professional-looking videos right from your phone. First, import your footage into the app. You can easily trim, cut, and rearrange your clips to create the perfect sequence. Next, add transitions to smoothly move from one clip to another. You can choose from a variety of dynamic transitions to enhance your video. Now it's time to add some flair to your video with filters and effects. Experiment with different options to find the look that best fits your vision. Don't forget about text and stickers. You can overlay text onto your video to deliver a message or add fun stickers to liven up your content. Lastly, utilize the audio tools to add music or sound effects to your video. Enhance the viewing experience with the perfect soundtrack. With Videoleap, the possibilities are endless. Let your creativity run wild and watch your videos come to life. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more video editing tips and tricks.
On Cracker Island, it was